So now we are going to develop our first code, or what can I say, steps of development is understanding what is the things here. So this project is, we can say, deployed in two parts. First, we are going to create one console thing here, which is basically console application for Java to understand different algorithms and how the encryption work. After, later on, we will discuss the servlet part, which Java application, we can say, which is providing encryption and decryption interfaces. So once this is Intel IDEA homepage, if you are loading to the previous projects, you have to customize that part in the preferences. I set it to welcome page always. So hit new project here. So it will give me the new project window. For you, there may be no lag. There is some lag while deploying this for me. So it is taking time to click on new project. So okay. So for me, new project is started. Let me do one thing. I choose here previously Maven, so we don't want Maven. We required pure Java project. So let it be loading. It is detecting SDKs for me. So choose Java project. Your JDK, mine is 16.0.1, 16th version. Hit next. Don't choose this. Hit next. These are some settings, but let me mention here. Encryption CLI, command line interface. So encryption CLI, I am mentioning it like this, and hit finish. So it will take time to create new project for me. So if you want to check different things related to cryptography, you may check on internet. There is a lot of information available for different algorithms, but most common algorithms I already told you, and I already shared the previous information about cryptography, how it's important for different purposes. So wait for some time to choose IDE's base settings. It will create the source folder, everything for me, and wait for some time to IDE work on this. So it is working for me. Now first, I'm not going to develop code directly. I am going to create here two things. First is mine is for how the key is generated. So let us see how actually key generation part works. Okay, how is actually key things working here, and what is the basic things I'm going to explain here. So let us stick to that part, and let us first create that part. So let me mention one thing here, which is I'm going to create one class here. So wait for some time to response the IDE. It will automatically detect your parts and everything. So in the SRC folder, go to the SRC thing here. Go to the SRC, click new, and choose your new class. So for me, I'm setting to the symmetric as my class name. There should be one public class, so mention it as a symmetric and hit enter. It will create one class for you. For me, it's symmetric, name is symmetric. So it will take time to create your own class and everything. So once you go to this, you can check your symmetric class is created. And now let me minimize this because this is no longer required. Okay, so this is my symmetric class, which is going to have some class which is going to create a key for me. So for me, for this video only or this tutorial, what I'm going to create, I'm giving class to create key. Let me mention symmetric only. Okay. Symmetric key only I'm going to create. Then let me mention one string. I'm using here AES algorithm, so AES let me mention, but before that it should be final, so let me mention public static final. So why I'm mentioning public, not public, so why I'm mentioning this, it's final, no one can change this AES, so I want to stick it to that part. Then I'm going to create one function to create one secret key. Okay, I am going to create one function to store the secret key. Understand why I used here AES as final, not be here, it should be here. Okay, function to create symmetric secret key. Why I mentioned is final because AES my algorithm. Let me mention algorithm for encryption. For encryption, this is my final algorithm, which is I'm going to use advanced encryption symmetric key algorithm I'm going to use. Then let me mention one here function public static secret key, public static secret key secret key, or there is one default thing is create AES AES key with something here I'm going to ask, so alt enter. So why I used here alt enter, crypto java x crypto secret key is going to use here. Now it should throws exception I'm going to mention, because if there is exception it should throw some exception. Then I'm going to create new instances with secure random class. Create new instances, basically object instances for new classes, which is basically secure random classes. And let me mention class also, so there may be no error, you will understand while developing this. So secure random, I'm going to mention secure random as secure random. You want to create a secure random is equal to new secure random. So this is my object for secure random thing, which is going to create random class for me, passing the string to key generator. Okay, now what I require, passing string to key generator. Passing string, I need to pass the string to key generator. So passing string to key generator is very easy. Key generator, there is one default function here, key generator. Key generator, let me mention again, key generator is equal to new key generator, and I need to mention the algorithm also. So what is my algorithm here? AES, which I used already, but I need to mention here instances. Why I need instances? So for the AES purposes, key generator, which algorithm I'm going to use, I need to mention that, get instances. So why there is one error? Okay, let me type this again, new key generator dot get instances AES. So there might be, okay, I need to don't want to space, there is no role of new, because I'm not creating any instances, I'm mentioning directly instances here. So no, note that no need to specify new thing here. Then I need to mention the initialize the key generator. Initialize key gen, initialize key gen, I'm mentioning here with 256 bits I'm going to initialize. So that's a data bits which is going to convert. 256 bits means it's going to randomize the 256 bits directly. Then what I'm going to do is key generation initial. So it's very easy, key generator dot init 256, I'm going to mention here 256. This is my key size. Now not with this only, I need to mention which algorithm, secure random, I need to mention secure random also. So now what thing will be happen, 256 with randomized thing is going to check, not any pattern thing. Then I need to mention secret key with which instance, secret key as my key part, for which purposes, or let me mention a small key with which data key generator with key generator with generation of key, which is basically generate key. So it will generate key for me. Now it should return for me. So now you should understand. So this is the method for creating the key generation part and everything. So in the next part I'm going to create and I'm going to summarize this, because this is not completed part. It's just instances of AES algorithm, which is I'm going to create class to create key with symmetric. So it will randomize things and I will tell you how it's going to work.